Welcome to Ion English Online. Today again, we have brought to you a new story which is set on Believe on Yourself.
There is a request to you all that if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the video. And if you like the video, then do not forget to write and comment.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was an ordinary girl with an extraordinary dream: to become a painter. She loved to fill her world with vibrant colors and bring her imagination to life on canvas.
Maya's village, however, was not known for nurturing artistic talents. The elders and villagers were practical people who valued traditional professions like farming and carpentry. Maya's dream of becoming a painter was met with skepticism and disapproval. The villagers believed that art was a frivolous pursuit and urged Maya to follow a more conventional path. Despite the discouragement, Maya held onto her dream with unwavering belief in herself. She spent every free moment sketching, experimenting with colors, and expressing herself through her art. Maya's spirit remained unbroken, and her determination only grew stronger. One day, the village learned about an upcoming art competition in the neighboring town. The winner would receive a scholarship to a renowned art school. The news spread like wildfire, and the villagers scoffed at the idea of Maya participating. A mere dreamer like her could never win such a prestigious competition, they whispered. Undeterred by the doubts surrounding her, Maya decided to seize the opportunity. She worked day and night, pouring her heart and soul into a masterpiece that reflected her unique perspective and creativity. The competition day arrived, and Maya nervously presented her painting among a sea of more conventional entries. As the judges examined each piece, Maya's vibrant creation stood out like a beacon of individuality. The colors danced on the canvas, telling a story that resonated with the depth of her passion. When the results were announced, the villagers were astonished to hear Maya's name proclaimed as the winner. Maya's victory not only surprised the villagers, but also taught them a valuable lesson about the power of belief in oneself. The once skeptical community witnessed firsthand how determination and self-confidence could lead to success, even in the face of adversity. Word of Maya's achievement spread far and wide, reaching the ears of a famous art professor from the city. Impressed by her talent, he offered to mentor Maya and help her refine her skills at the prestigious art school. Maya's journey from a small village dreamer to an accomplished artist became an inspiration for generations to come. The moral of the story is clear. Believing in oneself is the key to unlocking untapped potential. Maya's story teaches us that even when the world doubts our abilities, inner conviction can pave the way to success. It encourages us to embrace our uniqueness, follow our dreams, and trust that our journey, no matter how unconventional, can lead to extraordinary destinations. Maya's legacy serves as a reminder that the strongest force driving us towards success is the unwavering belief we hold in our own capabilities.